justification. There has to be a justification when a responsible member of the house is carrying a placard in the house.
Because
and it was not built by the health department, and he cannot make allegations of any department in this floor of the house without having a CAG report or a backup.
Wednesday, Vegas, sit down. Sit
Because
down.
the minister has agreed that is
I have not agreed. I need a justification of his statement.
Listen. One minute. Speaker sir, the referrals to GMC in 2021 was 4,900. In 2025 it has become 8,100. So there is a 63% rise. And what has happened? All these district hospitals are mere referral centers. The whole world knows it. Speaker sir, will the minister give me an answer? Who is responsible for the delay in all these facilities which were supposed to come to South Goa District Hospital? And how many stroke, head injury, cancer patients, whatever, were forced to travel to Bamboli because the machine was never installed? Yeah, the code, who is responsible?
Because sir, the treatment protocol for strokes, apart from STEMI, which I was the one who started in the state of Goa.
No, one sec. South District Hospital.
I will come to South Goa District Hospital. As लोक मरता म्हणून एक misconception लोकांक misguide करपाचो प्रयत्न